Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Bhavesh and today we are diving into something that every student and job seeker needs, a professional resume that stands out. If you have been wondering how to make a resume that not only looks great but also gets you noticed by the recruiters, then you are in the right place. Stick around because in the next few minutes I will show you how to create a job ready resume in no time. So let's get started. First, let's break down what makes a resume effective. Whether you are a fresher who is looking for a job or someone looking to update their current resume, the basics remain the same. Contact information. Include your name, phone number, email, or LinkedIn profile. Make sure your email sounds professional. In your email ID, avoid everything except your full name. Objective or summary. For freshers, I recommend a brief objective statement that aligns with the job you are applying for. Keep it clear and concise, focusing on what you bring to the table. Education. Here you should highlight your degrees, majors, and any relevant courses. And do not forget to show your GPA or percentage. Experience. Now, this is where most freshers get nervous, but don't worry. You can list any internships, part-time jobs, or relevant works. Even academic projects can also go here, as long as they demonstrate your relevant skills, so you can add them also. Skills. You have to customize your section to match the job you are targeting. Include both technical skills like programming languages or software, or any soft skills like problem solving, communications, or teamwork. Certifications and achievements. If you have got certification relevant to the job, you should list them. Same goes for any notable achievements. These can really help you to stand out. Now that we have got the basic understanding of resume, let's talk about its structure. Choosing a right resume template is crucial, especially for freshers. Like you want something that is clean, easy to read, and highlights your strengths. In the description below, I have shared some of the resume template that you can download and customize according to your profile. But remember, the template is just the framework. What you put in the resume, it's really what counts. Here are a few tips. Keep it simple. Avoid overly flashy design. Stick to a single page format unless you have a substantial experience. Consistency is the key. So use the same font throughout. Make sure your formatting is uniform. Bullet points should be aligned and header should be stand out. Use action words. Start your bullet points with action verbs like developed, managed, led, or created. This makes your experience sound proactive and impactful. Customizing your resume for every job application can significantly boost your chances of getting hired. You can tweak your resume to reflect the job description. For example, if a job description is emphasizing on machine learning, then you can make sure that machine learning skills are front and center on your resume. So it's all about matching your experience and skills with what the employer is looking for. And here is another hack. Use keywords from job description in your resume. Many companies use applicant tracking system to filter the resume. So using the right keywords can help your resume pass through the initial screening process. You can take help of ChatGPT for identifying the keywords from the job description. Upload the job description to the ChatGPT and use this prompt. You are a nice assistant and expert in recruitment. For the given job description, what keywords should be used to make a resume stand out? ChatGPT will generate technical and behavioral keywords based on the job description. You can add them to your resume and pass through the applicant tracking system. Before we wrap up, here are a few final hacks to ensure your resume shines. Quantify your achievements. Whenever possible, use numbers to demonstrate your impact. For example, if you worked on a project where you were responsible for sales, then increase the sales by 20% sounds more impressive than just responsible for sales. Show, don't just tell. Instead of saying you are good at problem solving, mention a project where your problem solving skills led into a successful outcome. Proofread, and proofread. Spelling mistakes and grammatical errors can be a big turnoff for companies. Triple check your resume, or even better, have someone else review it. And that's it. You now have all the tools you need to craft a professional job ready resume in just a few minutes. Remember, your resume is your first impression, so make it count. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more career tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop in the comment box. Thanks for watching. See you next time.